Hi, welcome to Harisystems. In this session today we will learn about Ansible management and Ansible features on Red Hat 8 operating system and Red Hat product of Ansible. To know the features and options, by using this icons and information, which is an illustration and education purpose only, with their respective to their logos to their hair in itself. Let's start the session. The Ansible management, we will discuss about it. Red Hat Ansible Automation. It's an automation tool which is introducing and providing Red Hat with the official license. Simple agentless IT automation technology. What they are introducing with this tool is simple agentless. Red Hat Ansible Automation is an automation software powered by Red Hat Ansible Engine, an execution engine with hundreds of modules that can automate all aspects of IT environments and processes. And Red Hat Ansible Tower, a management interface that can integrate with other services too. The services, if any, we need to integrate with this automation, it can be possible to integrate. Features and benefits. We'll have in a glance look at the features, what are they introducing and what are the easiest way for to automate in IT infrastructure environments where people like developers, testers, database engineers and security engineers and the team of firewall operators, these all the people who are involving with the projects, the things it will automates. Like see the features and benefits, how what they are providing. Start right away. The first one, Ansible automation is agentless, so there is no software to install on the things you will automating. That is the thing, first one they have introduced. Start right away. And the next one, designed for people. This is the designed for, especially the Ansible automation uses approachable, understandable language called YAML that everyone in an IT organization can easily recognize. This is the language, that YAML, the approaches of the automation which is designed for to easily understand by seeing that one. And the next one, tackle complex challenges. Ansible Tower, it says that Ansible Tower helps teams manage complex deployments and by adding control and delegation options to everything you are automating. In such a situation, there is a big huge applications like web applications. For the deployment, it will take some complex challenges like the building of that particular project and taking the controlling of the web server, and we need to push the content of from staging to the production server on intervals and scheduling. That it will helps to the people who are planning to scheduling this like a complex challenges. Now reduce the repetition. The Ansible automation talks to your systems as well as applications and tools simultaneously to consolidate and coordinate the tasks itself. It will, what they are saying for the automation, it will take the appropriate controls of that particular those who are sending the content and receiving the content, like Git and GitHub, and who are interacting with the GitHub. Majorly the Git is majorly using for a repository purpose. They will most of the people they will use the Git. Like similarly, it will talks to the applications and tools to consolidating coordinates. Start with security. automate multiple classes of security solutions to respond to security threats in a coordinated, unified way. It's the automation fully it will maintain with the configuration of controlled environment zone. The controlled environment says that we'll give a proper authentication and authorized persons to create an user management, will give an access to that particular IP base or domain base. Likewise, the access privileges it will automate, will give you the facility. Innovative with the community. Get involved with the AWX project, Ansible Tower's upstream community. Now, automate for environments of every size. Ansible automation includes Ansible Tower, Ansible Engine, and Red Hat Ansible Network automation. Each product can be used alone to fulfill specific automation needs, but they work best together as part of the entire Ansible automation solutions. These are the three things is majorly it will give you the environment creation. The facilities we'll see one by one. Red Hat Ansible Tower. The tower, it's a framework for controlling, securing and managing automation through a user interface and RESTful application programming interface services. The RESTful, it's a web service. It will automatically give you from wherever you need to control that particular Ansible Tower by using. And it's designed to help medium to large enterprises, operations and distributed teams scale and operationalize a company-wide automation strategy. It can be also helpful for medium to large enterprise companies like operations, distributed teams, scale and personalizations. With the Red Hat Ansible Tower, you get and features and options, a graphical user interface with a dashboard, role-based access control system, job scheduling, graphical inventory management, multiple playbook workflow, RESTful APIs, external logging integrations, real-time job status updates, Red Hat technical support team, Red Hat customer portal you can access directly by buying this product. Now, Red Hat Ansible Engine. This is the second one. The feature of Red Hat Ansible Engine is an execution engine and hundreds of modules that lets developers, engineers, small teams and playbook writers automate routine activities. These are the features are available with this Ansible Engine. With Red Hat Ansible Engine, you will have a look into that what are the features and benefits and options we are getting for this module. Support for the execution of the engine, lifecycle support for core modules within that, Red Hat technical team support, Red Hat customer portal access, integration with the Red Hat Enterprise Linux. And you don't know how to integrate with that Red Hat Enterprise Linux, they will make sure you that they will support you to do such a integration and all. And now Red Hat Ansible Network Automation. Red Hat Ansible Network Automation includes Ansible Tower, Ansible Engine, the existing what we have discussed, the two features which is already having with this, and Red Hat support for specific networking modules. Ansible Network Automation takes automation from compute nodes to network nodes. It will take care of the computing the nodes to the network nodes. In a situation, for example, I will discuss with you one thing. there is a groups wise is there for the development environment. In real time scenario, how it would be, I assume that 50 members of developers team is available, and 25 members of analyst team is available, and 10 members of design team is available, and 10 members of testing team is available. These are the different teams are available with the groups. All will connect to in a single place to work on in a single project. The DevOps concept is introduced further to saving much more time, and the important task without delaying to give an result set to the to delivery the projects to the client without delay. For the purpose they have introduced. And now Red Hat, see, with the Red Hat Ansible network automation, we will get automation network stacks from the system to access of the core services, test and validate existing network states, continuously monitoring compliance to check network configurations for draft. Please subscribe, like, share and comment any of your views. With the subscription you will get more updates from Harisystems channel, and press bell icon to get all alerts once we update any sessions like this and configurations. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.